Hello everyone. I have my front porch decor up for Christmas. Let me show you how I made these. These were the pumpkins I had on here since the fall. I took this wrapping paper and wrapped them to get this look. I DIY'd this. This is some mesh and some ribbon that I had from last season to do the railing. This is a quick one because, like I said, I hadn't finished my painting the porch, but I did want to show you. I spray paint these red. I have Santa on this side with a blue bell, and I have Mrs. Claus on this side with a blue flower. I changed the color of these because you can see they were blue. They are mostly red now. And on this side, I color these leaves red and got my blue pot over here and here. And then I tied some of the ribbons that on the railing on top of my two stands here. And then I just added some flowers in the pot and tied a ribbon. My bells are somewhere on the porch. I'm letting them stay on this side, as I have here. I have an old mailbox. It's not being used, just for decoration. And then you've already seen, hello everyone, my door wreath. I spray painted it to give it some more red besides the bow. And then I put this greenery around the door and just clipped off some of the ribbon and folded it over with the limb. And this is how this came out. A very short video. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Soon I will be starting my winter decoration. But I did want to show you that I had did something on the porch. Miners painting the porch, which it needs it desperately. Thank you for being here. Subscribe while you're here. Like and comment. We'll be glad to have you. Santa has his presents. Hopefully there's one in there for me. And there's Mrs. Claus. And let's look at my DIY on the steps. Again, here's the pumpkins, the wrapping paper, and the result. And I only did 2. Merry Christmas from Stephanie at Traditional Home.